in, come on in. Hey ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey to Craft. Today I want to bring to you a project that was requested by quite a few people, and it's called the Queen. What we're going to need is we're going to need some type of board and I got this from the Dollar Tree, but I'm not going to use the back side. I'm going to use this side here. I'm going to use some material, any kind of material of your choice. We're going to need some hair, and I chose this. Any face that you choose, and I chose this one. So what I did was I cut my band out already. So this band is going to go around her head. And I like making these bands. I like the way it looks around the head. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start from this corner here. I already made this piece around her neck. I'm going to put some jewelry around here, but for now I'm going to make the headband. So I want my headband to fit really tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something like this here, and I'm going to glue it down. This is the front, this is going to be the back. So I'm going to show you guys how I glue it down. I want it to be as tight as possible, because I do not want it to come off in the midst of me putting this here on. Now as I'm gluing the material down to this cardstock, and I cut this out on my Cricut machine, but if you don't have a Cricut machine, all you have to do is trace and cut it out. That'll work fine. Again, we want it as tight as possible. So that's how it looks. So far, so good. I'm going to put some white beads around here and around the neck. I guess we can wait until we completely finish with the hair and then do that. So let's continue. Because the hair is going to go here. Because I'm going to turn it over and start the gluing process. That holds up pretty well. Not too bad. So this is the back side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to tack this down in certain spots. So I'm going to leave this right here for a minute because I want to go get some pearls. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use this gem right here for her earring. And then I'm going to use to go around the headband. I started off is I put a little bit of glue on at least two of them just to get it started. Hold it there for a couple of minutes. And then after that I'll continue down. going to take a small piece and put it around the neck now. I'm going to put another set of pearls here. So the next process is to start putting the hair. I want it to go like this. What I do is I'll take a strand of hair and then I'll start gluing it down. Just like this. I think I want it to fold like that. So let's start that. Put a nice amount to hold it in place. So I want the hair to fold like that. So I'm going to bring them all coming down that way. You get the idea? I just finished the hair and take a look. It started out in one style, and I switched it to this style. I think this style look a little better. So what do you guys think? I think she's cute. I like her hair. Before it was going toward the face, and I didn't want to hide her headband, so that's why I went with this hairstyle. What do you guys think? It's locked in. I'm going to show you the back, and remember, we're not worrying about the back because this will be hanging on the wall, but this is the back. Okay, as you can see, all the glue, how I glued it in. I'm going to put her an earring here, and I'm going to put a piece here to make it look like a chain with a piece on it.